Welcome back. Farmers of Talegaon for the first time have cultivated French beans in Goa. French beans has given good yield. Dyer's family from the village has also cultivated 22 other vegetables in their field. ICAR based in Old Goa is promoting such agriculture. ICAR representatives say that if Goan farmers form clubs in their village, then it will become easier for them to avail government subsidies and grants.
These are French beans grown in Talegaon. French beans are not usually cultivated in Goa due to different climatic conditions. Now, Dyer's family from Talegaon has made French beans cultivation a success in Goa. They have also cultivated 22 other vegetable crops. Most of these are exotic vegetables. Some of these vegetables are baby corn, sweet corn, beetroot, broccoli, red cabbage, capsicum, and etc. They directly sell farm-grown vegetables through their newly opened stall.
फ्रेंच बीन न्हू फकत थोंडयेन जाता आनी ते जाल्यार 40 बी आतां घातले न्हू 40 दीस वचोंक जाय 40 दिसांनी भाजी जाता ती
जाली हे फावट
हे फावट जाली फ्रेंच बीन म्हणजे पयलेले आमी थोडेन बी घालून खरे जाता उरना ते
Indian Council of Agriculture Research based in Old Goa is promoting such hybrid crops. They have also started year-round vegetable cultivation program wherein farmers get more assistance for cultivation.
ICAR आणि कृषी विज्ञान केंद्रान आमचे आता RKVY जी प्रोजेक्ट आसा तातून ऑल द इयर वेजिटेबल कल्टिवेशन हो आमी प्रोजेक्ट सुरू केला. तातून भितर कॅप्सिकम, टोमॅटो जावं जी भाजी हांगा जायना कसली भाजयेच्यो रोपयो शेतकाराक आमी पुरयतात. आनी सगळ्यात म्हत्वाची गजाल म्हणल्यार फ्रेंच बीन म्हणजे ती गोंयान जायना. ती फ्रेंच बीन सुद्दां ताज्या शेतार वाल फ्रेंच बीनाची म्हाका पळोवंक मेळ्ळी. ताका लागून म्हाकाय अजाप जालें की इतले जर तो कश्ट अशे घेत शेतकार आमचे जाल्यार कांयच अशक्य अशें गोंयान कांय ना.
Rakesh Kandulkar for Prudent.
One of the best young footballers from Goa, Brandon Fernandes, is hopeful of playing for a club in England in the near future. India youth international midfielder Brandon has recently given trials at English Premier League club Reading and Championship outfit Leicester City. As of now, Brandon is playing for a South African club. More clubs are monitoring Brandon's situation.
Currently at home for the festive season, Brandon is full of belief that he will someday turn out for an English club. The Premiership football is a fast-paced ball game, and to come to that level will be a huge challenge for Brandon. However, the 18-year-old Benali-based lad is confident about his ability. Compared to the way football is played in India, the game in England is very much advanced. The players are more physical and every aspect of football is different according to Brandon.
Different players, players. Ground different, weather different, the help way different. Actually, South Africa and Goa, India मध्ये आणि South Africa मध्ये जायते already difference. So England तुम सगळे जाणे like तुम English Premier League खेळताय किती इतले tough आहे म्हणजे fast आहे. So ते main म्हणता येईल tempo. टेम्पो हाय सांगतो दुसरे टेम्पो लो असतो ना ऑफर काय ना पूण जायते क्लब मॉनिटर करता.
फ्युचर कितें आसा प्लॅन फुडें काय आसता
फ्युचर प्लॅन्स म्हणल्यार इंग्लंडाक क्लब येता.
सो आतां परत तूं बॅक सावथ आफ्रिका केन्ना वचपा?
सावथ आफ्रिका नेक्स्ट वीक वयता. सो थिंगा लीग खेळटा.
Our reporter from Benali, Samir Bhatt.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.